I don't know if you can. Hi, it's Lawless Line here. Sorry, I think it's the 17th or the 18th of excuse me, of October. As you can see, it's quite a nice day. Load of creme trailing going on as per usual. You know what I mean? But I don't know if you can hear it. It sounds like there's a plane going past on permanently. The wind is really, really strong, and it's been going on for the last sort of half an hour, 3/4 an hour. There, and just as I talk about it, it dies down a little bit. I'll just leave it so you can maybe hear a little bit. You can hear all the cows. There you go again. There is no real planes in the sky because it seems to be coming over the direction of the mountains. But I seriously can't hear anything. I seriously can't see anything, and I've been trying for the last half an hour. There it goes. It will die down again now. Rumble in the background. There it picks up again. It's very strange. In fact, I've never seen the mountains looking like that. They look very strange today. Cloud formations, very bizarre. This camera's probably not the best to pick it up, to be honest. It's only my phone camera, but very, very strange. Very strange. Haze and mists and stuff like that going out on the mountains. But, you know, it could be just me being over too sensitive. Anyway, speak to you soon. That's a tractor, by the way. Speak to you soon.